Ever seen a field that looks like it's smiling at the sun? That's the magic of sunflowers, nature's golden gift that doesn't just brighten landscapes but also farmers' lives. Welcome to Discover Agriculture. Today, we are stepping into the glowing world of sunflower farming, a crop that symbolizes hope, prosperity, and the power of nature. Whether you're an aspiring farmer or a nature lover, this guide will show you how to cultivate sunshine quite literally. Sunflowers are more than just pretty faces following the sun. Their seed make healthy snacks, their oil enriches kitchens worldwide, and even their stems and husks become animal feed. And here's a fun fact: sunflowers are natural soil cleansers, absorbing toxins and improving soil health. To grow happy sunflowers, give them what they love the most, that is sunshine. They need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily and loamy, well drained soil with a pH between 6 and 7. Though drought tolerant, they reward you with better blooms when given consistent moisture during flowering. Two main types await you: oilseed varieties like Russian giant, perfect for oil production; non oilseed types like Titan, ideal for snacks and decoration. Pick your variety based on your goal and local market demand. Prepare the land and mix in organic compost. Use high yield, disease resistant seeds, sow 2 to 5 centimeter depth with 60 to 90 centimeter row spacing. Irrigate during germination and flowering. Avoid waterlogging. Use nitrogen early, potassium later for better blooms. Watch for pests like aphids, try biopesticides and crop rotation. Harvest when the back of the flower head turns brown. That's your golden moment. Sunflower oil is always high in demand. This is great for soil and crop rotation, which makes it a eco-friendly farming. Seeds, oils, and byproducts all bring profit, which is a multiple income sources. Plus, imagine working in a field full of golden smiles. Sunflower farming isn't just about profit, it's about growing hope, light, and sustainability. So, are you ready to bring a little sunshine to your farm? Thank you for watching Discover Agriculture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you love to grow your own field of sunshine?